Alright, hopefully we're back, I think. My internet cut out for a second. It kind of stopped the stream. Let me make sure we're back here real quick. Okay, I think we're all good. There we go. Okay, yeah, we're all good. Internet just kind of cut out for a second. That was really weird. Alright, set. Set. I'm gonna call this reactive. No, we'll call it react animation. Okay, this one, I'm gonna make this one private. Oh, I can't make it private. Oh, yes, I can. There it is. Private. I don't need anybody else really accessing that one. I do need this one. Okay, so here's my thought. We're gonna take this. I'm just gonna run this like in the middle of the event tick. I'm not even gonna bother. Okay, so let's focus on this first. So what I'm thinking, we want to get a bone. Bone. Okay, and then how do I want to do this? Set, simulate. Hold on, there is a way. I don't know if this will work or not, but I think there's a way to have it so that way it's at like a certain value, like a certain percentage or something like that. Let me see. I think this is it. Set all bodies below physics blend weight. I think this is what I'm thinking of. Let me try this real quick. I'm just going to take this over for one quick second. If I set this to like 0.5, for example. Did it just freeze? Oh, okay. Oh, my display freezed. Okay. Froze. Let me see here. Okay, I don't think that this is working. Oh, hello. Okay, so that's a no-go. Hold on. Let me double check, make sure I didn't break anything. Yeah, it's just, okay. Yeah, so nothing there broke. So, this doesn't look like it works. Physics. Let's see, is there anything else that I can use? I thought that it would work, but I guess not. What is physics blending? I don't know if that's what I'm looking for. Hold on. What about in the physical animation component? Physics. There is a strength multiplier. Oh, this might work. Hold on. That was so weird. I might have to end this stream a little earlier than I expected, given how this is going all of a sudden. I don't know why my internet's suddenly cutting out. Okay, let's go ahead, hit play. Okay, so if I take this, okay. I don't know if this is working quite how I was hoping. Let me see some. Give it 1 sec. Trust the process. Hold on. Let me grab this. Okay, so that's at 1. Alright. I thought I set it to 0.5, but oh well. Now if I set this to 0, not 10, 0. Compile, save. And hit play there. My assumption is that there will be no physics happening, maybe? Let's see. No, it looks about the same. Okay, so I just need a way for it to be able to react to when it gets hit. That's really all I need. Let me see here. Let's do a little bit of research here. Hold on. Unreal physical animation components. I don't think. Set all bodies below physics blend weight. This node simply controls how much influence the physics asset will have over the animated skeletal mesh. At value of 1, the given bone and all those below it are completely driven by physics. At a value of 0, okay, so hold on. This might actually work. Set all bodies below physics blend weight. Let me, real quick, I'm gonna make some space here. Set all bodies below physics blend weight. We're gonna try two things here. Hold on. Bone. I'm gonna set this to 0. Okay, so 0 should be full physics, right? Turn to, oh no, 0 should be no physics whatsoever. A value of 1 should be full physics. Okay, so let's try this. I got an idea. I don't know if this is going to be the best idea yet, but we're going to try it anyways. Okay, so nothing. Ooh. Okay, yeah, this looks like nothing. Okay, perfect. That's what I was expecting. So, hold on. I now set this... Close. If I now set this to 1... Ooh, then this should be full physics when I hit it. At any given point. There we go. It does not seem to be. Okay, so never mind. That is not working. I don't know what I'm doing wrong here. Hold on. Let's have another quick look at this. Hold on. Controls how much influence the physics asset will have over the animated skeletal mesh. At a value of 1, the given bone. Often you will want to drive this node at each tick so that you can smoothly animate the physics blend weight value. A few possibilities. In our approach, the two primary tools you will need to set are set all body simulate physics, set all body, which will generally be placed let me make sure I didn't do anything wrong. Yeah. Okay. A common use case for simulation on characters, such as characters struck by a projectile at a high level. This requires that you get the name of the bone that was hit, transfer that bone name into the character's animation blueprint for the event graph to use, generally through a set all bodies below simulate physics node. This activates the simulation system. Control the physics blend weight property via a set all below physics blend weight node. Generally, you want to quickly animate this. You can see an example of this technique in example 1.2. I had forgotten my laptop was doing that. I just looked over at my laptop right now and it's opening up Unreal Editor because I forgot that it was building Unreal Engine 5.2. Let's see, hit based. Yeah, see, this was what I had in mind. Set the physics blend weight node. Let's see this. Unreal Engine set simulate blend physics. Ooh. No effects, maybe? So I managed to solve for now, however I think there's an apparent engine bug. I had re-imported mesh. Hold on. And then in another folder I imported it again to get a new skeleton and also create a new physics asset. I moved this new skeleton and physics asset into the folder with Jeff and more or less replaced the old skeleton and physics asset with the new ones. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Okay, so do I need to check this then? Because it said it was updating... No, recreating the physics state. Let me try this real quick. I don't know if this is going to work or not. I'm going to try this. Just make sure one is supposed to be complete physics, right? Did I pass it? I did right here. Yeah, one is supposed to be complete physics. Okay. So hold on. Let's try this. I open this up, right? I'm gonna try hitting this guy. Yeah. No, that doesn't work. Hello. Okay. Hold on, what's that? Jesus Christ, that can't be right. 30 FPS? Is that just because I'm running through ALVR? Hold on. Nope, that's what that's getting as well. Hold on, let me check something real quick. Let me see if I maximize this and click on this. So, hold on. That's at least good to know that that doesn't seem to have any effect, or very little. That seems promising. Process. Hold on, let me do details. Add this in, choose asset reference, click on post process. This is at the very least very promising. I'm gonna have to try this later. Actually, that outline's a lot more obvious than I thought it was. Now that I'm looking at this. It does do a weird thing to the colors, though. I don't know if I like that yet. I still have to try this on the Quest 2 later. Okay. Let's see here. So now the question becomes, how do I fix this physics issue? Maybe I need to do something else. Hold on. Simulate physics. Save. I might have a solution. See if I set 0. Let me see if I do this. There we go. Oh. You are not simulating physics whatsoever. What is going on here? This is not right. Why are you not simulating physics at all? Okay, that's a problem. Hold on. That is a serious problem because it should no longer be animating the moment I hit simulate physics. Let me also real quick, because the walking animation's now starting to drive me a bit crazy. I'm just gonna delete that. I'm gonna leave him in his like idle animation. Actually, let me. Yeah, 0, 0 is right here. It should be completely idle. I don't know why it's walking around. Anyways, let's see. So why is simulate physics not working whatsoever? Oh wait, is this it? Let's just do a couple simulates here real quick. No, that's not right either. Pre-physics, apply impulse on damage. Actually, let me check real quick. Let me double check the ragdoll stuff here. Yeah, this is the exact same thing. This is just set simulate physics. Let me check. Let me find, where's my old version? Hold on. Blueprints, AI, Bandit. This one. You see when this one. This, no. See, here's where the ragdoll was. So apply physical animation settings. So we disabled physical animation altogether. And that was just set simulate physics. Apply animation settings 0, 0. Maybe does it need to have? Actually, it might need to have the physical animation set up. So hold on, let's try this. Hold on. If I do this, and then we do that and that, not that, that, and we come in here, I set this to 1, this, no, this, have any effect whatsoever? I'm noticing it looks like my connections keep dropping out for some reason. Ooh, that's the wrong thing. I meant to start in VR view. Okay. Now if we come right on over here, if I hit them. If I hit him, still nothing happens. Well, this is getting really disappointing. So I still need a way to be able to go between a physical and a non-physical animation. I'm still not entirely sure how to do that then. See, this worked just fine when I was doing it this way. Taking this out, this was not necessary. These things right here were all working fine. It's just these 3 steps. It didn't work if I tried doing it after this. This is what I was using before, I think, right? Multiply, no. So I could also do... I could try updating this slowly over time, but that doesn't seem like the best way to do it. Feels like there has to be a much better way to do it. Set all bodies below night physics. What if I do this? Set all bodies below physics blend weight. What if I did... I also haven't tried this. I can try this too. Let me try two things. I'm going to first try with this. Let's set to 1. Just hit this. Okay, we'll try this first. Froze for a second. There we go. This. Nothing. Nothing whatsoever. You are still animating, it looks like. Okay. Now what about... Hold on. What if I do this and then this? Hold on. Let me go and close this down. I want to make sure... I'm trying to make sure that some of this is working here. Hold on. There we go. I just had to make sure that worked. Okay, so we're going to try this, because at this point it should be simulating physics on all these bodies, because this was all working just fine. So we're going to try this and see if this works. Hopefully it will. Oh. We might actually have a solution. Hold on. Okay, hold on. We might have a solution here. Give me 1 second. If I take this... So if I set this to 0, it should no longer animate. That's my assumption right now. So hold on. So if I set that to 0 and I go up and hit it and it does not animate, then that means we may have found a solution. I need to fix up the collision on this too. The collision for the handle's a little bit weird. Okay, I think that's promising. Okay, all right, I think we got a solution here. Oh, I can do this. I can definitely do this. This will actually work perfectly. So what I can do, all right, what I can do is I can set up, all right, this is going to be a little bit weird, so hold on. I can set this up. I can basically duplicate everything we have here. So let me actually do this real quick. I'm gonna copy all this. Right on into here. And then I just need to hook up bone, bone, bone. And this needs to be set to 1. Perfect. Let me go and take this out too before I forget, because that doesn't need to be there. I'll save. Okay. So this is good. This is good. I think I got a solution here. So with this in mind, what we can do is set this to 1. Okay. And then what I'm thinking is here in the React animation tick, we have 2 inputs. The first one is going to be the delta seconds. So it's got to be a float. Seconds. And then I'm just going to call this return multiplier. This one actually maybe I'm going to want as a variable so that way this can be adjusted. This will be fine. Let's do that. And I'm going to do 1. Okay. Then this. Let me do it this way. I'm going to promote this to a variable. Change this. React bones. This is going to be an array. So we'll get this. Add. Oh. It's not getting like my first finger. Actually, before I do anything, no, this is gonna be a problem. Hold on. Not an array. We're gonna do a map. Let's do a map. We'll do bone name and we'll do a float value. Is what we'll do. Did I do integer or did I do float value? I thought I did float, right? I hope I did that. Hold on. Yeah, let's change variable type. Okay, it is float. Perfect. Okay, so set. No. Is it set or is it add? I think it's add, right? Yeah, here we go. So we can do this. 1. Bone name there. Okay. And then what we can do is we can take the React bones. And actually, I think I want this to be at 0.5, not 1. Or we'll do 0.2 even. Because it occurred to me, that means that this will happen after 1 second. And that's not what I want. Okay. So let's see. Values. And I also need the keys. Actually, I don't know that I need. Yeah, I don't need values. I just need to find. Okay, so we take this into a for each loop. Find this. Ooh, wrong thing. Find this. Get delta seconds. Actually, let me do this. Get return multiplier. So let's see if we multiply these two together. Then we subtract this. Okay. So I'm going to want to take these two with me over here. Okay, so we got our bone name here. Our new physics blend weight here. Okay, and then I'm going to just take this and bring this over real quick. Just to get a new copy. And I want to add, which should overwrite the existing bone with this new value. Center equal to... Actually, I'll do it this way. Let's do a branch here. Branch. So if this is false, we'll add it on. If this is true, we want to remove... It's going to be the same thing. We just add in the bone. Oh no! Before we add it, before we remove it, I also want to make sure that physics gets disabled. Wait, did I grab the wrong things? I did. True. There. This is a bit messy, but this will do. For the time being. I just need to be able to test this first. Okay, so new simulate should be false. So, coming in here, I want to run the set react animation. Set react animation. Same bone. And I don't want to run this through do once, because so long as it's hitting, I want this to be set to 1. I may even want to see if I can eventually set it up so that way it'll increase so long as it's being hit. We're going to try this. I think this should work. Try and do it in an obvious spot. Let's do it right here in the... Oh! Oh, this is amazing! Oh, the arms are turning too. Look at that! Oh, I think it's returning. Yeah, the forearm constraint is doing something kind of weird. Yeah, I think I want that multiplier to be a little bit higher. Oh man, but that's really cool. Oh, what's going on with the foot here? Is it supposed to be going to like that? I don't think so. No, feet are doing something weird. Everything else though seems to be working pretty nicely. Oh, I don't know what happened with the hand there. Yeah, I am definitely going to want to have some kind of setting, so if he gets hit in like the chest or maybe the legs, he'll start ragdolling or something. Oh, there we go. Other than that, that looks pretty good. That's looking pretty good. I'm liking that. That's a lot better, I think. I just need that multiplier to be faster, which is pretty simple. Let's do... I'm going to do 0.75 because I feel like it was way too slow. Perfect. Yeah. Oh, man. I feel good about that. That looks good. I like that. And then I can just kind of have like a regular sort of health style. I think at the very most what I'll end up doing is having it so certain body parts deal more damage. And then, and so like the, you know, obviously like the hand, I want to deal like almost no damage because that's the hand. I don't think it should really affect health that much. Same probably with the foot, but at the same time, I think that the foot is also going to allow for the AI to ragdoll as well. But if we take something like the head, that should deal a lot of damage. Maybe the upper arms or chest area, that should deal a lot of damage. Like those kinds of areas, I want to deal a lot of damage. And I think I can do that simply by using the bones. If I build that function that I was thinking of where, like I just start going up a list of bones, then I can use that to kind of check and see like whereabouts on the body was hit. So like I could have like a string that goes from like the tips to the fingers, just go up parent, like parent, all the way up until I reach like a specific bone. And then if it hits like anywhere in there, then I know, oh, it's hit like the right arm, for example. Or, you know, it hit the left arm or, you know, chest area, whatever the case may be. And that might help out a little bit. I'll just have to make sure that there's no bones that I miss when I do that. Which will be awesome. I'm loving it. I think actually these components are about ready to go. I think I may want to see if I can throw in some actors. And then I'm actually planning on putting these on Patreon. This one, though, I can't throw up there yet. I haven't yet done enough work on this. It's not going to work well enough. But the other two, I think those will work pretty nice. I think those are about Patreon ready. Cool. I'm liking this. I'm loving it. All right. I do have it enabled. Cool. I want to see how this looks real quick. Because I was really fascinated with this. Hold on. What if I do... Okay, that's not doing enough. Oh, you have to be in it, that's why. That's actually quite a big difference. I don't know that I like how it does the shading here. Like, the shading to me feels a little bit choppy. I don't know that I like that. But if I can fix that, I feel like this will look pretty good. I'm definitely going to have to try this. Right after I'm done with this stream, I'm actually going to be packaging this for Quest 2. And I want to see how this does. I need to make sure that this is somewhere I can remember it, though. Because I did quite a bit of work on this post-process volume, and I think that this will work fine on the Quest 2 as well. Oh. Actually, I'm just going to do an infinite extent. Screw it. Hopefully it doesn't just, like, break my Quest 2. I'm sure it'll be fine, though. Yeah. Be nice. I do definitely still need to improve the outlines. The outlines still need to be quite a bit better. Cool. What time is it? Let's see. What else did I have on my little list of to-dos? I don't know that I'll have. I don't know that I'm gonna have enough time to do a lot more in the rest of the stream. I might have to call it for today, but let me see here. Let's see. see if we can do this real quick. I wanted to be able to lock and unlock this door. Because for some of the rooms that players are going to enter into, the door, I want the door to basically shut and lock, and players can't go in or out until they complete all the waves that are in the room. So I want to be able to lock this. And I have a couple of ideas. One of my ideas is I can disable physics and then have it so that way it goes to like a default position. And I think that'll work. It shouldn't be too difficult, I don't think. But we can see. The other idea that I have is I can see if there's something in the physics constraint, but I think I'm going to start by just trying to see if I can lock the door. I don't know that I'll be able to test this right in this moment, though. So, yeah, using the relative door offset. These versions are coming out. These were old versions. Okay, so this should be pretty easy. So, hold on. Set, simulate physics. And actually, too... I need a variable for this too. Cool. So I just need to make sure that players cannot grab onto this anymore once it's open. So let's see, we'll set locked here to true. Here to false. Okay. Here I want to disable physics. Here I want to re-enable it. Okay, and then I'm going to need just for this one, it just needs an extra step. I'm going to do a lerp rotator. We'll do a target at here. Get relative rotation. There. I think I'm going to want shortest path. Okay, and then we do just a quick little timeline. I'll just call it lerp timeline. It shouldn't really matter, but I'm going to do play from start anyways. Add a track. We'll do a float track. I'll just do a length of 1. Come on. Rename. Alpha. And then we just add in 2 keys. So 1 is at 0. 0, and the second one is at 1, 1. Just nice and simple. Why do I have 2 event graphs open? Okay. I don't need that. Okay, and then let's see. So alpha goes in here. Take our door. Set relative rotation. Split this struct pin, and I only want to feed in the Z. Perfect. I think that should work all right. Actually, that reminds me too. I need to create a button or something at some point so I can test some of this stuff. I don't have like any form of button or anything. But I think that's gonna have to be a tomorrow thing. I'm gonna go ahead and end off the stream here. Let me go ahead and actually, where's OBS at? There it is. Transition. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and end off the stream here for today. I got quite a bit of work done, so I think it should be. I think that this should be going pretty smoothly. I have to do a little bit of testing on my Quest 2. I'm gonna be testing the post-process volume that I built that I think should work, but I haven't tried it yet, so hopefully it will. And yeah, I gotta test some of this other stuff too, on just to make sure it'll work all around the Quest 2. I've not done like a performance check in a little while, and I try to do those periodically throughout creating a game, because I want to make sure that that I'm not going to have to do as much work later on. You know, I can just do a little bit here and there and just kind of keep in mind, oh, performance is really looking terrible in the Quest 2 or whatever. So yeah, I'll definitely have to do a little bit more research on that. But yeah, I hope you guys have a good day, evening, afternoon, whatever it is, wherever you guys are. And yeah, I thank you guys for joining me on this stream. I hope you guys can join back for the next one. And yeah, have a good day, guys.